Lada is a supposed goddess of love, spring, and harmony in Slavic mythology. Supposed, believed to be true. Of marriages and happy relationships. Patron, someone who protects or supports. She was believed to symbolize peace and beauty in human relationships. Symbolize, to represent something. Her name can be found in old folk songs that were sung during spring and wedding ceremonies. Ceremonies, formal events with traditions. In the Middle Ages, Lada was mentioned in church sermons. Sermons, religious talks given by a priest. Priests warned people against worshipping, told about danger. Jan Długosz, a Polish chronicler, considered Lada a god of war, comparing her to Mars. Someone who writes about history. However, this was incorrect, as many people believed that Lada was a goddess of love and life. Incorrect, not right. Lada was associated with wisdom, which was traditionally attributed to women. Associated, connected with. Her figure was connected with caring for young girls preparing for marriage. Caring, showing kindness. During spring rituals, women often wove flowers into their hair, imitating the beauty of the goddess. Imitating, copying someone or something. Rituals connected to her were meant to ensure peace and joy in families. Ensure, make sure. Some researchers claim that the name Lada might come from a word meaning peace or order. Claim, say something is true. Others believe she was just a figure created by people who misunderstood old songs. Understood wrongly. Alexander Bruckner, a well-known scholar, rejected the existence of Lada as a goddess. Rejected, said no to something. He thought her name was simply a part of refrains sung in old times. Refrains, repeated lines in songs. However, not all scholars agree with him. Have the same opinion. Boris Rybakov, a historian, claimed that Lada was a real goddess, similar to the Greek Demeter. Claimed, said something strongly. He believed she took care of spring nature, love, and fertility. Fertility, ability to produce life. According to him, Lada was a symbol of the rebirth of nature after winter. Rebirth, coming back to life. Lada is also mentioned in Croatian folk songs. Mentioned, talked about. Girls sang these songs dancing around bonfires. Bonfires, large outdoor fires. Even so, most modern scholars do not consider Lada a real deity, god or goddess. In ancient times, love and peace were very important to communities. Important, having great value. People believed that harmony in the family ensured prosperity. Harmony, living together in peace. Whether Lada truly existed or not, her legend is part of the beautiful world of Slavic stories. Existed, was real. These stories remind us how important feelings, spring, and new beginnings were to the people of long ago. Remind, make someone remember.